singing a holy lullaby to a carpenter, a mother, and a king. Glory to God in the highest, peace on earth, goodwill to men. One holy night in Bethlehem, the angels sing to a carpenter, a mother, and the king. They see a wise man gathered, bringing presents as they came. They wondered what a carpenter could bring. And it was the lowly carpenter who gave the child his name. When they looked around, they heard the